Okay, y'all, I'm back today with part 2. Like I said, it's hot, bugs are biting, so we're gonna get straight into it. It's hella water and stuff on my intake. I'm gonna have to change my oil before I can actually drive it or anything, just because I know that water is gonna get up in there. So tomorrow I'm gonna do an oil change. We're just gonna do a quick startup today once I get it swapped over, but nothing too much because yeah, we don't want no water in there. And y'all already know, like I showed before, the screwdriver set is from Work Pro. I'm gonna make sure I tag them as always. She coming up. Okay, y'all. Thank God that's out the way. 'Cause, oh my goodness. Y'all see this? But y'all see, true dedication, despite the conditions going on, we gonna get it done. And sometimes, I don't know, I'll do like 3 or 4 different projects in a day just to, you know, keep things going and get things done. So yeah, I don't know, sometimes y'all might be like, she got the same outfit on, but no, it was all filmed in the same day. don't do too much. Right now I'm just drying off like where the gaskets go and inside. We are gonna put some RTV gasket maker, whatever you want to call it, silicone, on the inside where it was leaking, just to make sure it's sealed up. Because y'all know, if we can reuse anything, then we're going to. So in this case, we are going to reuse the gaskets. Because why not? Okay, y'all, so dried it up inside. I'm gonna lay my silicone down. Almost done. And then tomorrow, like I said, we're gonna change the oil and we'll do a better startup. I probably won't even start the car tonight, honestly, just because of all the water that was in it. So yeah, let's get her on. Okay, and right right now, like I said, I'm just putting some silicone around the water jackets because last time I did this, y'all were very upset that I didn't do it. I didn't have any problems the last time, but you know, I'm gonna do it this time. Y'all see I'm losing my sunlight, but like I said, gasket's good, silicone good, intake's the last step, so let's get her put on. Okay, y'all, intake's on. I'm getting 8 up, so like I said, I'm gonna finish up tomorrow. We'll get the rest of the bolts put in, carb back on, oil change, start up, yeah.